Hey guys, this is Atul from Team K29 Academy, and in this video, I'm here to invite you for a free class that I'm hosting on this 13th of November on Wednesday. And I've been running these classes for almost now on AI, machine learning, generative AI for more than a year. But every couple of weeks, I see big changes are coming and things are growing or changing very frequently. So I thought probably I'll do another one this week to see what change have done and what some of the guys like similar to you have achieved or are going to do and how they're transitioning or upskilling from whether you're in a cloud, data, or DevOps or whatever skills you're doing or development, architecture, product managers, how to transition that into AI. So to invite you for this free class, I'll talk about what to expect in this free class. And if you're new to me and if listening me first time, why I'm qualified to say all I'm saying. So the first thing and important thing is that the topic is about AI, machine learning, and generative AI, three steps to getting a high paying job with certification. And the three mistakes that you might be making that's stopping you in getting that dream job or you're struggling to get a transition from whatever you're doing into AI, generative AI space in tech and how to avoid them as well. So if you're interested, I'll talk about that. This is the URL, which is k2academy.com/AIML 10, which I'm going to talk about in what you can expect is as well. So we're going to begin with why you must learn AI machine learning. I don't think I need to convince you, but if you see the bigger market, it's much bigger than you and I can think or believe. It's 1.3 trillion market size. There are hundreds and thousands of jobs. If you look at from a jobs point of view, I've just opened a job serve and see there are very good paying jobs, 700, 800, 900, 1100, 12, like 1500, 2000 pounds I'm talking about, which are not even advertised, but these are some of the things which are advertised here as well, like 750, 925 pounds a day, and some things which are quite hot, which I'll be talking inside that free class as well. So why you must learn AI, machine learning, generative AI, but we are spinning up with context of cloud, where AI machine learning on AWS cloud, Azure cloud, Google cloud, and some of the services that you should be doing. Also, what are the job roles and responsibilities? So things like different AI roles, both from a product manager, program manager, to architects, to developers, to engineers, to operations or administrators, all the different roles as well. We'll also talk about what salary you can expect, including certification related to AI, machine learning, generative AI on Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google, like things like Google Machine Learning or AWS, which is recently we've changed and added that Google Machine Learning that we'll be hearing from. Also AWS AI and machine learning, which introduced in or became um, came out of beta from in November or sorry September 2024 and so on. Similar to with Microsoft Azure and so on. We'll also be talking about how to get a high-paying job even as a beginner. You or maybe you're working on different domain, maybe on, as I said, cloud, data, other space, DevOps, developer, architect. How do you transition that same knowledge into the AI as well? Also, the 12 mistakes or myths which been repeating and still people make those mistakes that costing you the interview calls or the jobs that you're trying to apply but not getting interview calls. We'll also talk my three-step framework that helped me personally to go from $100 per month earning back in 2000 2001 to 1200 pounds a day, which and then I work with multiple clients as well, including not just me but 44,000 students of mine who have done the same thing as well. Also, there'll be question answers, personalized roadmap, and if you stay till and there'll be gift. Again, we always do certification exam questions or interview questions, and how do you take it to the next level as well. So my promise is that by end of this class, that's going to be roughly around 1 hour, but I'll keep it high level to be frank because we have a lot of questions come, so we'll take more questions. But my promise is by end of this class, you will have how to get certified and get a high paying job in AI, machine learning, data. I'll spin off now data and add things which is multi-cloud, which I've not done. We're adding those as well, even as a beginner with no experience as well. Now, as I said, why me? Some of you guys already know me, and if you're interested to go into I'll talk in terms of, but let me first tell you, as I said, is if you're interested, go to k2academy.com/AIML02, enter your name, last name, email address, and the mobile number. Mobile number is this is where we'll be sending you the gift. Once the you those who stay till end, you're getting a gift, and we'll be notifying you on WhatsApp about these. When you join, you'll also be added into a free community, or we'll be pointing to the free community, which is k1academy.com/AI community, which is absolutely free. You can join that, or will be there are already 41 members pending. We already have 697. We started just a few weeks back only, this community. So you'll be added into that community as well. So why me? As I said, if you're new to me, and those who are new, I've been working in IT for 24 years, and I've been transition myself from becoming a database administrator to apps DBA to identity and access management security to cloud, or first data architect and then to cloud, multi-cloud. Last few years have been AI, machine learning as well. These are some of the happy customers I've worked with across globe as well. And my journey has been ups and downs and ups and downs. And you will learn, like basically, I'll share what not to do, what mistakes I've done, and how you can avoid them on my journey from earning, as I said, 9,800 to couple of mistakes I did. I will try to, if you're interested, or some of you guys might be interested, I'll say how to avoid the mistakes, which I've done those as well. Also, I'll be sharing these numbers. These are the things which I've done and what mistakes I've done so that you don't do those numbers as you see, earning 900 pounds a day rates as well. So, and it's not just me, but the three-step framework which I was mentioning about, we'll be talking about, has worked for multiple guys, whatever the background is. Like for in this case, SJ that you see have doubled their salary as well, or got multiple job offers and so on. So I can go on and on. I'm not going to show it here, but with a different background, we'll go a little bit deeper and we'll give you the whole roadmap, path, job roles, and responsibilities as well. So the URL is k1academy.com/AIML10. Enter your name, email address, phone number. You'll be added into the community. Join the community and ask me. I think inside the community, I'll share this video. Below that will be questions. We'll be taking questions from that. So I'll be going live. I'll be bringing some expert possibly, or not possibly, but definitely will be bringing some experts who'll be talking about, or maybe depending on the how many questions I get. Um, so we'll discuss those things as well. So leave the once you go into the page on the community, there'll be a thread. In that thread, you post the questions as well. And when you join this community, there's also some free stuff which is already there, the career guidance as well as the common ask questions as well. So watch that. Oh, sorry, register that, and I'll see you inside on this free class. Take care and bye for now. As I said, this is what we're going to cover. Or sorry, this is what we're going to cover. Take care and bye for now.